Hi everyone, I'm Michael Ginn with King Canada Tools. Waiting for things to dry is frustrating at the best of times and can become costly with a slowdown in progress. Ruined materials or a buildup of mold can also happen with too much wait time, and that's why the Performance Plus 8500 AM air mover is such an important tool to have. Air movement is key when drying anything from damp floors to painted walls, water leaks to catastrophic floods, drywall compound to car interiors. And any tool that can increase air movement and decrease time would be a valuable addition to your home, workshop, or job site. The Performance Plus 8500 AM air mover from King Canada does just that and can help you stay productive or help to clean up costly messes faster. With its 0.5 amp, 1780 RPM, 120 volt motor, and 3 operating speeds ranging from 420 to 550 cubic feet per minute, this air mover can help deal with spills and drying times to get you back to work quickly. The 3 operating positions of the 8500 AM allow you to direct the air across the floor for spills or wet carpets, up at 45 degrees towards a freshly painted wall, or directly at the ceiling depending on your needs. The 10-foot power cord and low amperage draw give you the versatility to plug these air movers into any 120 volt power outlet. Also, you can plug in multiple air movers without overloading circuits. Another unique feature of the 8500 AM is that multiple units can be stacked together and ganged up to move a massive amount of air in one area. Simply place the first air mover into the desired location with its vent in the vertical position. Then, stack the next unit on top, being sure to have good alignment with the air intake guards. You are able to plug the supplementary units into the first air mover using the convenient 120 volt outlets. Finally, set your speeds and you're able to move a huge quantity of air within a very small footprint. Another great feature of the 8500 AM is its extremely low sound output. No hearing protection is necessary when working near these blowers, with their quiet fans producing a volume of under 60 decibels. That means the 8500 AM is suitable for a quiet office, store entrance, or household. When your drying tasks are completed, cleanup is a snap with the contoured top handle providing an easy spot to wrap your power cable. At only 9 pounds, moving the 8500 AM couldn't be easier. The stacking feature can also come in handy for long-term storage and lets you put away 3 or more units in the footprint of only 1. To learn more about this and other King Canada tools, contact your local dealer or check out the website at kingcanada.com.